Let's learn the colors with me. Red, red color. Apple is red. Flower is red. Car is red. Green, green color. Leaf is green. Parrot is green. Tree is green. Orange, orange color. Basketball is orange. Carrot is orange. Goldfish is orange. Blue, blue color. Whale is blue. Crayon is blue. Umbrella is blue. Yellow, yellow color. Duck is yellow. Sun is yellow. Banana is yellow. Purple, purple color. Balloon is purple. Cap is purple. Candy is purple. Pink, pink color. Donut is pink. Flower is pink. Cupcake is pink. Brown, brown color. Cookie is brown. Monkey is brown. Chocolate is brown.
हमारी हौसला अफजाई के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर लाजमी कर दें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।